Greetings, friends. Looking at some ancient stairway here. Ancient rocks. Well, most rocks are pretty much ancient. Unless they're recently made from a volcano. But you can see ancient rocks here on the beach in the area of what's called Peter's Primacy. And it's said that this is the area, this beach here, where Peter went fishing with the disciples after being distraught of denying Christ 3 times on the evening he was being persecuted and flogged and prepared for execution on the cross the next day. So the disciples fled to Galilee when things had cooled down in Jerusalem. They went out fishing here on the lake, and some dude stood on the shore here saying, "Have you caught anything?" "No, not a bite." "There are nothing in the nets." "Throw your nets on the other side of the boat." "Oh, okay. We've only been fishing all night, and he wants us to throw our nets on the other side of the boat." And of course, the nets filled up with fish. And Peter recognized the dude on the shore, and it wasn't any dude, it was the Lord Jesus Christ. And he jumped into the water, swam to him, and asked Jesus to forgive him. And Jesus said, "Do you love me?" "Lord, you know I do." "Then feed my sheep." 3 times they said this. So 3 times Peter denied Christ, and 3 times Jesus restored him and forgave him. And he does the same for us if we choose to ask him. And we sin against him many times a day, several times a day. And all we have to do is ask for his forgiveness, and he will restore us for all eternity. Free. Simple. That's the good news. The good news of Jesus Christ. Walking here in his footsteps. Pretty amazing. Honored to be here. Honored to be living in the land for such a long time. We've been here just about a year. See that guy fall down? That's my guy. By the way, the water line, when Christine and I were here 5 years ago, almost to the day, 5 years and maybe a month ago, was pretty much where I'm standing. The water line was right about here. And you can see the lake has gone down considerably due to, in large part, lack of rain, but of course the constant siphoning off of water for agricultural purposes. I don't know if you can see it, but here in the middle of the picture, see if I can get this thing to zoom in. See, there's a mast sticking up. Apparently a fishing boat sank out there. I don't think it's 2,000 years old, though. Not like the boat we just saw. But yeah, here we are in the land of Israel, looking east now. Syria and Jordan are right over there, maybe 60 miles. And I don't feel the slightest bit afraid or concerned. God has always had his hand on this land. They shouldn't be here. Israel should not be here. For the last 70 years, the wars they've fought have miraculously been won against all odds and then some. So, I'm not worried. I'm more concerned driving to the airport in the U.S., flying to Israel, than I am being here. So I would encourage you, if you read the Bible and believe what it says, don't hope that you ever get the chance to come here. Stop going to Starbucks, put $5 a day away, maybe 10 or 20, and come see the land where the Bible was written. And well, before it was written, come see the land where the Bible happened. It's an amazing place. All right, rambling on. Shalom, y'all. God bless. Peace. from the land of Israel.